Yes, let's talk about football. What is football? Football is the sweetest thing ever in the world. Epic Chan shock. Kenya shocks Morocco. Players cash in big. Cash in big, as I say. Welcome back, sports fans. As you know, hold onto your seats. Relax, and I give you the greatest updates. Harambee Stars just pulled off a sensational upset at Chan, topping 2 times champions. I'm talking about Morocco. And yes, there's more. President Ruto's 1 million Kenya shillings promise just turned into a real cash for the boys. History was made at Kasarani Stadium with 10 men on the pitch. After Crispin Erambo's first red card, Kenya dug deep in the 42nd minute. Ryan Ogam's strike was screen call, was good, was gorgeous. Counter precision, low shot onto the bottom right, sending the home crowd into a frenzy. Even a red card couldn't break the spirit. Kenya shut it down, held firm through the second half, pressure, and clinched a special 1-0 victory over Morocco. All while Morocco threw everything at them. Yes, but wait, what made this win even sweeter was President William Ruto's bold pledge. 1 million Kenya shilling per player for a win, 500,000 Kenya shillings for a draw. This made players become mad on the pitch. Thanks to the earlier results, a win over DRC Congo, a draw with Angola, each player had already racked in 2.5 million Kenya shillings. Now, the Morocco triumph pushes the total even higher. The stadium erupted, fans chanting. The president himself hailed the team. Kenya is rising. Mmecheza kama nyinyi. Sasa na mimi nitafanya kitu gani? Nitafanya ile mambo. Nitacheza kama mimi. $1,000,000 imeingia pale mfukoni. You play like yourself, now I'll pay you like me. That's a motivational game. That was the word from our president of Kenya. With this result, Kenya has effectively secured its spot in the Chan quarterfinals, and now they will get 60 million Kenya shillings. Prize now hangs with the reach, semis, finals. Each stage promises even more and more. That's a way of motivating players. Each and every country, by the way, the players were promised something by their presidents and leaders. An unbelievable performance from a 10-man squad. It wasn't just a win. It was a statement. A medieval match turned into a pure modern glory. Players walking away with millions, fans electrified, and Kenya on the rise. That's Chan, drama done, Kenya's style. Hit, like, subscribe, and let us know, did that goal give you a goosebump? Until next time, keep the pride alive. Harambee Stars, you the boys, we keep pushing you. Wagwan shatter them. Call me Badman with the crowd.